Bonjour! Today I'm doing a little video because in the last video I told you about the 12 weeks training I will launch. Sorry, I am outside, there is a car, I am in the park and there is kids screaming, so you might hear some noise in the background. I'm sorry about that. I told you about this training I will launch in April, and I told you to ask me questions. I received them on my little paper, and I am going to answer them in this video. So the first question is, when is it going to start? It is going to start on the week commencing by 18th of April. There won't be some fixed time when the sessions will be, because the idea is to ask all the students their availability for everybody to be able to join. Then the next question I had is it an online training or is it a face-to-face training? It will be both. You will have an online training with a subject each week to learn by yourself, and each week, in addition to that, there will be 1 hour and 30 minutes Zoom session in a group for you to practice. We will practice together to reinforce what you've learned in your online training that week. The next question I had is it a classroom training or an online training? Because I do not like Zoom sessions. Well, it will be an online training, as I said, so it will be self-study but also some Zoom sessions. And I always make sure people feel comfortable. I will put my camera on so you feel like I am with you. Also, there will be a private group where you will be able to ask your questions. Everybody will be able to interact with each other, and there will be a Telegram session where I will post every day some little videos to encourage you or give you more tips about the lesson you have to learn that week. I do not have time learning French. So there will be an online training each week. The time will depend on the subject. And then on top of that, there is an hour and 30 minutes Zoom session in a group. There won't be that much time to spend on top of that, just maybe like 10 minutes a day to learn the online training you've done, just to practice a little bit, to remember before the Zoom session we will do to practice together. Last question I had is about the price. So the price will be revealed in the webinar I will do on Monday 11th of April, because it's the day I will be launching this training. So join the webinar. I will put the link below this video in the description. So yeah, it will be on Monday 11th of April. I will provide a free course, and you will be able to know all the information about the training and subscribe to it. I hope I answered all your questions in this video. If you've got more questions, do not hesitate to leave me a comment below this video, and I will answer to them. À bientôt!